Hi there, this is Amos Whitney. Welcome to video number 2 of my YouTube series on Maryland divorce and custody law. I'm looking forward to everyone's feedback and comments, I think, and constructive criticism. And I apologize in advance for my lack of video editing skills. But I'm looking forward to this and I hope that you enjoy it. I do want to touch on the impact of the COVID-19 virus response on the practice of family law. Today, Governor Hogan closed non-essential businesses as of 5 p.m. Further look into his order reveals that the practice of law can continue. So we would be considered essential business, I suppose. As I said earlier, my firm is working remotely at this point and very rarely going into our office. The court system is only hearing certain family law cases at the time, and they're labeling those court cases essentially extreme emergency cases. Now, prior to the COVID-19 virus response, an emergency, to get a court to grant an emergency hearing, the bar was pretty high. Now the Court of Appeals order has added the word extreme in front of the emergency hearing, which suggests that the difficulty to get into the court system to be heard on an extreme emergency is even higher. The most frequent issue that's coming up for our clients really revolves around scheduling access with children. Like, what is their schedule going to be? And the COVID-19 virus response has made this more difficult because there are some travel restrictions and schools have been closed. Many agreements and court orders will base a child's schedule on days of the week. And so it might say something like, you're going to pick up your son Monday after school. Well, now there's no school, so there's an opportunity for confusion. And if you're unable to work things out directly with your child's parent, the court system aren't hearing these cases. So there's an area of confusion for parents in this situation. Other areas of causing concern for parents are questions like, do I exchange my child with their parent who may be sick or may be infected by the COVID-19 virus? It's a very serious question to have to ask yourself. In addition, in kind of more extreme cases, there's the question of, if I deliver my child to his or her other parent, what if they don't return my child? What if we get ordered to be in a shelter in place and I may not see my child for 4 to 6 to 8 weeks? I don't want to be in that position. So those are very difficult questions posed by the response to the COVID-19 virus. Other issues that are raised by the response to the COVID-19 virus can be financial. There are questions like, if I've lost my job or my pay is going to be suspended, can I afford to pay child support? Can I afford to pay alimony? On the flip side of that coin, what do I do if my ex-spouse or my child's parent, what if they stop paying me child support or alimony? I very much need those funds. So those are very important questions to want to have answered by an attorney. In addition to, if someone is in the process of negotiating an agreement with their soon-to-be ex-spouse or their child's parent, you need to be thinking about the things that you are potentially agreeing to. Are you agreeing to pay child support and alimony? And will you be able to do so in the future? Is your business being valued? If it is being valued, is today's value going to be reflective of the value of this business in 2 months? Many agreements involve a provision about selling a house, selling the house that everybody grew up in. But what does the market look like today? What does it look like in a few months? And is that a feasible or workable solution any longer? And these are questions that are going to have to be looked at on a case-by-case basis and try to find the best solution possible. I don't think there's going to be a one-size-fit-all solution here. And so I think the best thing to do is, if you have questions like these, take them to an attorney and get a detailed answer. If you have any questions about the issues that I've raised today in this video, please reach out to me directly. In the description of the video below is my Twitter handle, my Instagram account, username, my LinkedIn profile, as well as my firm's Twitter handle and Facebook page. I encourage anyone who is seeing this video to like and to share and to comment on it. And I look forward to checking in with you guys in the near future. Thanks.